I'm so excited to share this PR box with you guys. It is from L'Occitane. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. Let me know if you think that's wrong, but I think that's how you say it, L'Occitane. I don't know. It sounds weird, but yeah, I think that's what it is. Anyways, we're gonna open this and check out the products inside. Also, I just want to point out how fancy the box is and how fancy everything is packaged. Super impressed with the presentation. So, we have their almond shower oil. I've heard wonderful things about this. I've heard it smells amazing. It's like sealed. I want to try it though. Not like try it right now, because obviously I'm not getting in the shower, but I just want to smell it. I think I need to get it open a little more to smell it, but we have their youth cream for wrinkles, firmness, and density. Looks really nice and fancy, and seems like it is a really good size. Let's open it up. Ooh, love that packaging. Look at how fancy that is. That is so nice. Ooh. Oh, it even smells good. I can't wait to try this out, you guys. I'm so excited. And then we have Overnight Reset Oil Serum, glowing and revitalized skin. Skin's gonna be looking all glowy after I use these products. OMG. Wait until you see this one. Oh my god, dying. Shut up. Look at that. Oh my god, how pretty is that? Stop it. I am obsessed with this. Like, it's almost too pretty to even use. Oh my god. So pretty. Wow. This is beautiful. So far, everything is so pretty. Like, their packaging is beyond. Okay, now we have their hand cream for dry skin. Ooh, I bet this smells so good. Look at what a nice size that is. Wow. Let's open it and smell it. I just dropped the cap. Oops. Got it. Okay. Oh my gosh. Feels like one of those like old school toothpaste tubes, honestly. It's kind of hard to squeeze, but that's okay. Because I don't want it all to just come out. Oh my gosh. It says it's 20% shea butter. Sorry, I was reading. It really doesn't have a scent, to be honest. But it feels nice. It feels very moisturizing. Okay, that is everything, but I need to show you guys this. Oops. So they also sent this little card. Like, look at that little seal there, super cute. says to Cali with love from Province, and basically describes their products and says embark on a voyage of the senses with beauty inspired by the natural wonders of the south of France. And then at the bottom it says follow the instructions on the back to bring a piece of Provence to you. So on the back, this is like so cool. It says plant this letter to enjoy lavender from Provence. Step 1, cut up card and soak in water overnight. Step 2, plant card in a pot of soil or garden. Step 3, place pot near sun and water regularly. Step 4, enjoy your flowers in 4 to 6 weeks. Like, how cool is that? That this card is going to be lavender flowers. That is amazing. And I'm super excited about this. So I am going to be planting this soon. And then I will show you when I plant it. And after that, hopefully 4 to 6 weeks after, we get lavender. And I can't wait. That is so cool. Like, I can't believe that that is so unique. I've never seen that before. Like, how environmentally friendly. That's awesome. Like, I am so impressed by this PR package. I am very impressed, L'Occitane. You got me here. So I can't wait to try all of these products out, and I love that they're like full size too. Like, that is amazing. Super excited, and these are gonna look so nice just even sitting on my vanity because of the packaging. Like, I can't get over it. They're so beautiful. So I'm super excited that I got to share this lovely PR package from L'Occitane, and I can't wait to share my lavender plant when I plant that.